included this challenge sheet. And it says, have you got what it takes to be a slime superstar? And it also says, how many of the Gooband challenges can you complete? Here we have the super bubble putty, super stretchy putty, and last of all we have a super bouncy putty.
Wow, there's lots there, isn't there, Maze?
Yeah, loads.
Wow.
And even in the super bouncy putty, there's two. There's two
double-sided ones.
With this one, there's a green and a yellow. Okay, so now let's begin these challenges, and I'm going to complete all of them because I want to be a slime superstar. So the first challenge is, how far can you stretch flexi putty? So I'm going to get my dad to help me with this one. Hi, Daddy! I need you to help me to see how far this flexi putty can stretch.
Okay. Right, here we go.
Okay. Should that be enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Wow. That's a long way, isn't it, Maisie?
Yeah. Let's get it all back. Whoa! Thank you, sir. So that was around 4 feet, would you say, Dad?
Yeah, about 4 feet.
Okay, bye! Okay, so I'm moving on to the next challenge, and we're still using the flexi putty, and it is, how giant a slime bubble can you make? Okay, so I took all of the blue, so I'm going to try it. One.
How did you do?
Not bad, I guess.
Ooh. See if you can do bigger.
Yeah. Getting a bit stretchy.
Ooh, Maisie, look at the size of that.
That one is probably the biggest. And that's all going down. That was so big. I'm stretching it really far to try and make a massive bubble. Okay. Whoa. That is massive.
That's really big, isn't it?
That's bigger than the last one.
Look at the size of that.
Can I add some more?
Yeah, of course you can add some more, Maisie.
Okay. I'm going to use the dark blue. It says Flexi Putty Glitter Bluer. This one. I'm just going to get it all back together. Okay, so let's add some more.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Whoa! That's huge, and it even stayed. Look at that.
Look at that.
Whoa!
Oh, Maisie's popped
I
it.
pulled it and it's still going. There
Oh,
we
it's
go.
still there.
Yep, now it's gone. Okay, so let's move on to the next challenge. And now this putty is like so big now.
Huge, isn't it?
Massive. So the next challenge is with the super bubble putty, which is these ones here. It says, how high is the tallest tower you can build using bubbler putty in 1 minute?
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got to time you.
Yep. Okay, so now I'm about to build my tower. Here I have snow glow, blue glow, green glow and pink glow.
Does that mean they glow in the dark, these, Mace?
I'm not sure.
We'll have
I'm not quite
to
sure
try
about
them.
the white one though. I'm not sure about that one.
Go. You got any idea of how you're going to build your tower, Maisie?
I'm just going to take all of these out and then just build it like this. I don't think I have enough time to chat, to be honest.
It's like a snowball, Mace.
Yep, but now I'm adding some pink.
Oh, that's a nice colour.
Still going.
Bit of green going on there.
Yep, I've kind of done it in a bit of an order. I haven't quite like mixed them up. I've done white, pink, blue, and last was going on green. No, stay!
Stop! And there's Maisie's. That looks really good actually,
Yeah,
Maze.
on the
I
last-
love the colours for that.
Yeah, on the last two, look. I hardly got any out. I only took a little bit.
Well, you used quite a lot of parts, look.
Yep.
Okay, shall we see if that is actually glow in the dark? What do you think? Because it says snow glow and blue glow.
Probably.
Okay, let's try it.
I'm just going to leave it up. Why not?
Oh, it's glowing. It does glow, doesn't it?
Yeah. Hey, look, you can kind of see these extra green ones glowing as well.
What about the bands?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
The bands even glow.
Wow, Mace, these are cool, aren't they?
Whoa, it looks so cool. And one of the challenges was to create your favourite animal, and I created two, because my two favourite animals are a cat and a bunny. And they're very colourful. Yeah, but it's like, it just feels so nice.
Right.
It feels like it's all going to come apart, but it
Yeah,
doesn't.
it's not, you just mould it, don't you?
Yeah, so let's have a look what the next challenge is. It's with the super bouncy pogo party down here. And it says, how many pogo party bouncy balls can you make in 1 minute?
Ooh,
With
and
these ones.
with all these ones.
And look, there's 2 in 1. So my strategy is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make one ball with a yellow and one ball with a green and so on.
We better get the timer on again, better we?
Again.
Here we go. Go.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this feels like clay, but it's also really stretchy. What? 1. Okay. Just be pink.
That's it. Time's up.
I only got 5. Not bad.
How big a bouncy ball can you build in 1 minute?
Well, that's probably going to be easy.
Okay.
Because look, I can just mix all these ones. Easy.
Yeah. Go.
How much longer?
3 seconds. Time's up. Wow, this is good fun, isn't it, Mace?
Yeah. Now try the big ones. Whoa! This one went all the way over here. Thank you so much, Keycraft. I really enjoyed these Goobands series too. They've been amazing. So that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me and all of my cool slams and puppies a massively big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.